This is the ugly side of ADHD, okay, that nobody talks about. So my 4-year-old son was diagnosed about a year ago, 2023, with ADHD, and I suspect autism. However, he did not meet that criteria yet. In the meantime, I have had him in ABA therapy, OT, the entire alphabet, right, to try to help him, mitigate some of the symptoms and kind of work through and give him those skills that he needs to, live life, essentially. And although he has shown major improvement because it's been almost a year since he's been in ABA. He started in November of 2023. And I started to see results within the first 90 days. So I can honestly say that ABA therapy has helped him tremendously, okay? I will never take that away from him. He's done so much good work. So much good work. However, this is the part of ADHD that nobody talks about, okay? The part where, my son, because he is ADHD and he is 4, he cannot emotionally regulate himself. So when he is in the van to come home from therapy, he is in crisis mode today. This hasn't happened in a while, which tells me that he's probably extremely exhausted, because that's typically when these things happen. But he was in the van with him and another child, and he started kicking, punching, pinching the other child. So the driver did the right thing, brought him back to the center because they had just left, and called me and said, hey, try to talk to your son, try to calm him down, yada, yada, yada. Couldn't get him to calm down. He's mid-crisis road, right? Crisis, just tantrum, throwing himself, everywhere, kicking, screaming, punching, all of that. So mommy has to come get him. He can't be transported like that. So, because it's a safety concern, not just for my son, but for the other child and the driver and, other people. There have also been instances where my son has, not to the driver, but to myself, has thrown things at me while I have been driving and almost caused me to get into an accident. So, I couldn't ask her to do that. So I told them, I said, put him back inside, take him back inside, and I will come get him. And we will figure it out. But this is the ugly side of ADHD that nobody talks about.